Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to download and how to download and install ORDS 20.3 for run Oracle FX 20.2 in Windows 10. So first we need to download ORDS. Open your browser and write ORDS space download, then click this one, then come Oracle REST data services, this link click, this is REST data service 20.3 ORDS 20.3, this one REST data services, then you click download, then check mark license agreement, then click download, then start download. You need to also log in. I already downloaded before this one, so you need to click this link, then come Oracle login page. You need to log in, then you can able to download ORDS. Username, password right here, then click sign in. I close this one because I already downloaded this one. After download you find like this, then you need to copy this ORDS to your FX installation directory. Right click, I cut this one, then go to your FX installation directory, C Oracle F. This is database installation file here. This is my installation directory F. Under here I install FX. Paste here. Right click and paste. Now this one FX, this one ORDS. Now need extract this one. Right click, extract file. Then click OK. Then rename. This one odds only name. This one odd directory. Now need check command for ORDS user. Check which user by default created. Select, copy this command. Under description I will give you. Go to Todd. This is Todd for Oracle. How can download and install Todd? Under description I will give you link. Then you can download and install Todd. Paste here code. Then you select username, account started, this column name from DBA user, where username like ORDS. You select full code, then click execute here. Then you see this one by default user created when you install database. When we install ORDS, then come another user here. Then we need to now install ORDS 20.3 for run Oracle FX 20.2. First step 1, copy image folder from FX 20.2 directory to ORDS directory. Go to your FX installation directory. My installation directory, this one, FX here, this ORDS. Open FX, then copy image folder, right click, then click copy, then go to ORDS directory, this one open, then paste here. our image folder Coffee Paste finished. Now we need to start install WordDS. This is WordDS directory path C Oracle F WordDS. This directory path you need to this location copy this path, then go to run, write cmd, then click OK. Here you write cd space, paste your URL, then press enter, write c clone, press enter. Now we need to connect WordDS with effects. So you need to write here this one WordDS.org, this one we need to run. So you need to like this command. This is very important. If you mistake you can get error, you cannot install WordDS. So first you need to like this write in a text file, then you copy paste. So copy this one java space -jar space WordDS.org, this one copy, then paste here, right, edit, paste, then space, write install, then press enter. Wait little bit, then here you need to enter location, store configuration data. Here we need to create a folder named config, like this. I before write all path, create folder, here write config, then press enter, then this one open, then copy this URL. I already copy before for making tutorial, like this config, then this one you copy, then you paste here, right, edit, paste, press enter, then all configuration file will go config folder inside. This is database server localhost, okay, press enter, then listener port 1521, okay, press enter. This is database service name, is id means service name. Here database service name you write here, this is WordCLDB, our database name. You find this one, your database installation directory, go to C, inside Oracle DB home, here you find network, see in this one network, then admin, then TNS name, this one open, then okay, here you find service name, you see here service name WordCLDB, this one copy, then paste there, here paste, press enter, then password for WordDS public user, I write password for all user, this one effects underscore 123, this one I use for all user, copy this one, you can use any user password, I make this one for make tutorial, copy, then this very important, carefully copy, then paste here, did paste, then press enter, then confirm password, again paste, press enter, this is administrator username means sys user, right, sys, yes, y is sys then press enter. This is sys password. Write your sys password, then confirm password, then enter. Okay, press enter. One, then password for FX public user, same password you copy, again copy, then paste here, press and confirm password, again paste, press enter. This one sorry database, and this one, okay, press enter. Then password for FX listener, same password, again paste here, again copy. I frequently showing you copy password and paste because if you goodly understand which password I uses, if I write this code command and password, how can you know? That's why I make all command in a text file I write, and then I make tutorial for you. So like this you carefully same password use, then you can later remember. Copy again, then paste here, press enter, then confirm, again paste, then password where if a rest public user, again same password paste, press enter, then confirm, again paste. Okay, here choose one, SQL developer web, this one, okay, press enter. One, then created. uh, Press enter. Standard mode, okay, press enter. Then you need to resource location. Resource location means image location, where your image you need to go odd directory again. This is Oracle apps odd image, this path. Go to your installation directory odd back, this one, you open this image folder, this one, then copy URL, copy, then paste here, paste, then press enter, again press enter, HTTP1, okay. This is our port number 8080. Check mark public network, this one, then click allow access. Oracle REST data service initialized. That means our what started. Now we need to log in. We are ready for login. FX 20.2. Step 2. This is URL for logging odds, means FX 20.2. This one we need to again check which user also created. Again go to Trot. Here you paste only one by default under showing before we check it. Now again see metadata and public user. Two user already created. So now we need to log in. This localhost 8080 port number, then RDS/RDS. You find this port number also config folder inside RDS. Here config, no, this one this one standalone, then right click, then click open, and then select notepad, then click OK. Here see, this is port number. You will get which one your port number you find inside this standalone.properties inside. Now we need to log in Oracle FX 20 to copy this one, open your browser, then paste here URL, then you press enter. This one FX 20 login phase. Then you need to write internal here. I already write in a text pad. After start come like this command warning like times off like this. Then you go to here, write workspace name internal, copy this one for showing you, then paste here again username admin, this one copy, then paste here, then again need password, you select this one, copy this password we uses before installation time. Now check mark remember, then click sign in. This is Oracle FX 20.2 dashboard. You see which version? This one 20.2 FX 20.2 application express. This is admin user. This is email. This is workspace name. This is email, admin email. This is role, user role. Sign out. Now we need to log in by admin URL. This is normal user URL. This one admin login URL. Same one, only UFX under admin give, then right, then paste here, then press enter. This is administrator service, Oracle Application Express. This is normal user, this is administration services. Then same way you again copy admin username, then password, again same password. Okay, then sign into administration, then is admin user internal like this, same sign out. So like this way you can download and install ORDS 20.2 20.3 for run Oracle FX 20.2. If you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.